Hello and welcome to Gardening with Ben. In this video I'm going to give you a little tour of some of the stuff what I've got growing on the allotment. Like I said, I've not done as much this year, but what I have got growing is growing really well. So sit back, grab a brew and enjoy this video. So we're down here on the allotment today and I'm going to show you some of the stuff that I've got growing down on the plot. Like I said, I've not got as much growing this year, but what I have got growing I'm enjoying, and yeah, let's have a look around the plot. So these are where my strawberry plants were. They've got no strawberries on them now. I have been trimming back some of the dead leaves and I've cut off all the runners what were growing on them and potted them up, and hopefully we'll have some extra strawberry plants next year. These are a lot of my flowers what I've got growing. Look at these, they're calendula and they are absolutely beautiful. If you want to grow some flowers on the plot, these are the ones to go for, as they do absolutely fantastic, and what they will do is they will self-seed themselves. They get a seed head on like that and then they'll explode and the seeds will pop everywhere. People worry about them as they can cause too many flowers on the plot, but I don't care. The more flowers the better, and you can always dig up the plant and move it to where you want it to be. We've got some sweet peas growing. They're growing really well along with all the bindweed. I've certainly got a lot of that growing, but yeah, the sweet peas are absolutely beautiful. They smell fantastic and they look gorgeous as well. Look at them. And then there you can see I've got my sunflower. That's my tallest one so far, and it must be about 11 foot. It's still growing. The head's not flowered yet, so we'll see how big that gets to. But yeah, it's looking absolutely fantastic. We've got some runner beans. As you can see, they're ready for picking. But yeah, runner beans are doing really well and they taste absolutely delicious in your Sunday lunch as well, so yeah, they are looking really good. I've also got some Gladioli bulbs which I've had in my plot since last year and they are flowering nicely. But yeah, we've got some more sunflowers. Look at them, absolutely beautiful. I'll be saving the seed heads from them and growing them again next year. I'll save them somewhere safe this time because Mr. Ratty got them and ate all the seeds. But look at that one. That one's absolutely beautiful. I usually just stick to the yellow ones, but I've grown different varieties this year. As you can see, another one peeping through there. But I've tried plenty of different varieties this year and they are all looking nicely. We've got a bit of lettuce growing. Some of it got eaten, but yeah, we've got plenty of lettuce growing and it tastes absolutely delicious. But yeah, my runner beans are doing really well. Got some good crops on them. Just remember to keep picking them, not like me, to encourage more flowers to grow and to get some good produce. Now I've just spotted this, I didn't see this over there, but look at the size of that whopping courgette. Absolutely huge. That one's been nibbled at, so you might as well take that one off because it won't do any good. So look at that size. That's my hand. It's huge. But yeah, it's a good size, that one. Whoa! And I've just spotted another one. Look at absolutely huge. I'm gonna have to pick these. But yeah, look at the size of that. So I've got some broccoli what's gone to flower, but that'll attract the bees. I should really snip that off. We've got some heads there ready. I can chop them off and cook them and eat them. My cabbages haven't done so well. They've been absolutely shredded. Look at them. But oh well. Things do well and some things don't. I've got my leeks growing. They're doing alright. I'm just trying not to show you all the messy areas. That's a small sunflower, look at that one. But it's got a massive head on it. Bizarre. And then look at these beautiful dahlias. Absolutely gorgeous. And some marigolds amongst all the weeds. Like I say, I've got absolutely loads of weeding to do. Sweet corn are growing well. We're getting some good sweet corn on them. They're starting to turn brown now. They're usually ready probably around September time, so I won't be picking them for a while yet. But yeah, we've got lots and lots of flowers growing. Like I say, it's a mess, my plot. I've been struggling to come down, but yeah, we're back now and hopefully get things sorted. But yeah, all the flowers look absolutely beautiful. I'm really pleased with how they're doing. And here we've got my seed onions, what I grew from seed. They're doing pretty good. That one's a nice size one there. But yeah, they're looking good. And another gladioli looking beautiful there. And down here is where I've got a nice size squash growing. Look at the size of that. I believe it's a spaghetti squash, but we'll see what it turns into. But yeah, it's looking good. And here we have my pumpkin plant, which I'm growing up a cane for the time being. But yeah, first pumpkin I've spotted on it. But hopefully it will grow to a decent size. We'll have to keep an eye on that. Some are trying to form, but we'll have to keep an eye on them. This is my plum tree. Look at that. Absolutely full to busting with plums. Can't believe how many have come this year. They've done so well. So we're going to be picking some of them today. But yeah, absolutely loads. Like I said, I've not got much growing this year down on my plot, so that's just been a little insight to what I have got growing. Over the next coming week or so, I'm going to be down here cracking on, getting it all tidied, and I might do a proper tour then to show you the full size of my plot and how it's all looking. But until then, you'll have to click that subscribe button to stay updated when I have got it all sorted, and then I'll share what it does all look like. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. Feel free to check out the link below, which is my shop where I sell t-shirts and hoodies with all gardening logos on and stuff like that. Some funny ones on there, so check them out. And as always, remember, keep smiling and keep gardening.